Hey friends, welcome back, and I'm going to introduce you to AppSUP 2021, the Huawei HMS App Innovation Global Challenge. Yes, this is one of the finest challenges that's scheduled, and I wish that you guys participate. The prizes are plenty. This is very inspiring event. You can do a lot of wonders with this event, and this can take you to the next level. Let's understand about this event, and I'm going to show you what exactly are the things that you need to know before you participate in this event. I'll tell you why do you have to join AppSUP event, what are the award categories and the prizes. The contest stages in the timeline will be explained to you along with the eligibility criteria being highlighted, the rules and regulations, how do you register for this contest, what are the deliverables that we expect from you, the judging criteria, the learning resources, and the contact details will all be presented to you in a quick frame of time through this session. Welcome to Huawei AppSUP Challenge. The core theme is to create, innovate, and to optimize the solutions, I mean the apps with Huawei mobile services. This is a global app development contest fully focused on promoting HMS core open capabilities. As you know, when you start developing an app with HMS, you will reach around 1 billion Huawei device users in 170 plus countries and regions. And most importantly, this AppSUP challenge is going to span across 5 regions: Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa, China, Europe, and Latin America. You can integrate the core and other Huawei capabilities, and you can develop and create innovative apps, and you can launch it on the app gallery, which is the third largest app market. And you can build really innovative solutions with HMS. And AppSUP 2020 was a grand success, and APAC overview is presented in front of you, which says that we had around 300 plus teams, 100 plus entries, and this spanned for 150 plus days, and 15 countries in APAC region have really participated, and we reached around 3 million plus developers. So this was a grand success. And this time we expect it to be a little more better than the previous time, with more prize categories being announced. This is going to be more exciting as well. The last year AppSUP 2020, we have some apps which are presented here in front of you as the best apps, best games, honorable apps, which carried a lot of attention from the jury. So you can see that the best apps category has around 5 apps which are displayed. The games are encouraged as well. Honorable mentions are there. All these took away prize money as well as wonderful certificates and rewards and awards from Huawei. Right. Why to join this contest? What's so special about it? The first point is this is a fast track app launch process. You integrate, optimize, and bring your app to the market very fast. This is not like other things. This is really very fast. Time to market is so faster. You can gain experience and visibility. That's the second thing. You will get a lot of visibility to your product, I mean your app, from the potential partners, users, investors, and you will reach the top so easily. And you can level up yourself. You can improve your skills in terms of getting more professional coaching from Huawei experts. You can win prize money up to 200,000 US dollars. It's 200,000 US dollars prize pool under various categories which are available here, and you can win a lot of prize money. And you are going to leverage global media promotion as well. You are getting a lot of opportunity to get yourself completely spotlighted through Huawei's multiple channels, which include social media. And most importantly, you get the insider community updates, and you are going to definitely interact with Huawei community and Huawei developer program initiatives. And all these are solid reasons for you to definitely participate in AppSUP challenge. There is additional support that's being rendered for top 20 finalists, and they are mentioned in front of you right now. You definitely get a lot of amplification across all the Huawei marketing channels. You get 2-week digital advertising through Huawei. You get exclusive interview with top media, and you get a certificate of appreciation from AppSUP 2021. And most importantly, you get a promotional display and placement in the third largest app store worldwide with 540 million plus users all over the world. So all these are going to be added benefits for you. The most important area has come. What are all the prize money? What are all the prize details? What are all the award categories that are available is presented in front of you. And this time there are multiple new awards introduced over the last time. And I'm going to tell about all those. And this region is going to be very interesting for you, I believe. 2 best app awards are given, and that comes under practical and innovative solutions category, and $15,000 per team will be given. And best games into 2. We are getting 2 awards under the best games category, and they should be entertaining, innovative, and creative, and $15,000 for that too. Best socially impactful app that you have developed will get an award, and that will gain $15,000 as well. Best HMS Core Innovation Awards, and 2 awards fall under this category, and $15,000 will be given. For example, if you are utilizing the innovative capabilities that are available with HMS Core, which help you in building AR, VR, AI, ML, etc. based apps, and you will get this. And a Women's Award is included this time, and we get 2 Tech Women's Award, and they both get $10,000 each. Best FinTech Innovation Award will honor the financial apps that are developed, and one award under this category will get $10,000. App Gallery Rising Stars Award will be given to 5 apps, and each will get $8,000. Students are honored as well, and the Excellent Student Awards will be given for 3 batches of students, and they should be from the academia. So they will get $5,000 each. Honorable App Award will be given to 2 apps, and the apps which show the great potential for improvement will get $3,500 each. And there will be one People Choice Award, and that will be based on the public votes, and that app will get $3,000. So it's a lot of money, and multiple award categories are there. Well, what's the stages and the timeline that we need to look into? The key entry period is from 9th June to 20th August. You need to complete your registration. The HMS Core Kit integration has to happen. You need to go ahead with the app release into the app gallery and the app submission. And next comes the jury part. The jury will go ahead with review and the scoring. Top 20 teams will be selected from 21st August till 9th September. The cycle will span. And most importantly, the online voting will start next, where the top 20 apps will be displayed for public voting, where we need to select the People's Choice Award based on the public voting. And finally, by October, the dates are yet to be finalized though, by October, you will get the announcement of winners under all the categories. The timeline is subjected to change, and mostly this will stand by this, but there could be a mild change here and there. So stay tuned. And participants eligibility, who all can participate? All the mobile app developers based in the APAC region are definitely welcome to participate and register. You can be a student, you can be a professional, you can be a hobbyist, you can be a startup, you can be an MNC employee, you can be whatever. You can participate. And you can join even if you have existing Android apps and you intend to create an entirely new app which has got a lot of features, and you can publish it with Huawei App Gallery, and you can also be part of it. The apps submitted must at least integrate one HMS Core Kit. This is the most important fundamental criteria that we look at for you to participate in this event. The existing apps already published on App Gallery could also be submitted with new integrations there. You need to add new integrated kits during the contest period, and you can still participate. Apps must run perfectly on devices with HMS installed. These are all the fundamental eligibility criteria and the basic expectation from you. Well, any event will have set of rules, and we are no different, and we have got set of rules that you need to follow. You must participate in the contest individually, or you can form a team. The team can have up to 3 members. All the members are required to go ahead with Huawei developers signing in with your Huawei ID, and this is mandatory. And please make a note that one participant can be part of only one team, and every individual can apply to join, or they can leave a team. Every individual or a team must fully comply with the Huawei Developers Agreement or Huawei App Gallery policies. This is very important for us. The contest region of a team is subjected to the region where the team leader registers as a developer in the Huawei developers. Under prior authorization of the holders, the app submitted may use third-party game engines, middleware, open source software, or code libraries. And most important point, please remember, if any of the following points that I'm going to talk about are being part of your apps, or if you are not following the guidelines properly, your app may go ahead with the disqualification. Your nomination may be disqualified. The apps submitted which did not integrate even one HMS Core Kit will be disqualified. If you plagiarize, you are totally disqualified. Failure to get authorization for the use of third-party code plugins. If you do that, if you are not getting proper authorization, you are disqualified. Apps submitted found to violate the Huawei's developer agreement or Huawei App Gallery policies will be disqualified. Failure to meet the basic criteria for contesting, if any, will be disqualified. All these are fundamental things that you need to understand. Well, you got to visit the AppSup website. So the website details are presented to you in front of you. I'll also paste this in the description section so that you can easily make a note of it. You need to sign up along with your Huawei ID, and then you need to create a new team, or you can join a team. All this will be up and running shortly, and you can register yourself. And what are the deliverables that we expect? The team leaders are expected to take over this particular responsibility, and they need to submit the works before the stipulated deadline. And most importantly, they need to submit the team details and app details in an Excel sheet along with the attachments, the APKs file, the .apk file, all those in terms of a zip file. You need to attach that. And also, you need to give us the marketing materials. I mean, you can have a video to introduce your features, the operation styles, everything can be presented as a video as well. So you can get the Excel sheet with team details, the APK, as well as the video which can tell what exactly are you doing. So make sure that you present it nicely, and that will get you the winner's award. Judging criteria are very simple and very straightforward. Right. So N to 20 will happen this way. I've got 1000 nominations for an instance and I need to get only 20. So we need to follow the very important guidelines like what are the functionalities in the user experience that you are providing the user? What value add do you bring? That's what we essentially mean. How much innovative is your app? And what is the business value that you bring in? What is social impact that you bring in? All these will be the fundamental criteria for your app to be scored. And bonus point will be awarded for HMS core and capability deep integration and article submission through Huawei Developer Forum. That's like a blog. So when you submit it, you will get bonus points. And finals, top 20, will be selected based on the scoring that we do in the first round, and they will be presented for People's Choice Award. The online voting score will be taken, and that will decide who has won the People's Choice Award. Top 20 individuals or teams will have only 5 days to prepare and provide Huawei with the marketing materials for hosting the voting segment on the event website, and we will update you on that very clearly once the stage comes. Well, it's not pretty easy for somebody to start something very new, but we have sufficient materials for you to do so. If you are a new entrant to the Huawei mobile services or the HMS core, you have a lot of materials available, and self-help resources are there which can be referred, and I will give you those links as well. And we can go ahead with the code labs, the documentation, the training, the developer forum for you to learn everything. Also, we have got Huawei cloud debugging and testing facility available, and this can be accessed by you. This is very easy and interesting. Right. So most importantly, we have got trainings to be given, we have got lectures to be given by the experts, and we are going to get FB live training, and that will also come to you. Once you register, you will get all these details, and we will get the complete training done on all the kits available with Huawei. How do you develop applications? How do you integrate those kits into your applications? How do you go ahead and debugging and testing? And we will also get you insights on hybrid development framework like React Native, Flutter, etc. How do you use that? All these will be presented as lectures as well as an interactive session through FB, and we will get you more details on that shortly. Right. You are going to accelerate your HMS learning, and you can gain a lot of training sessions. You can have a lot of open discussions. You can exchange tips, and most importantly, you can discover the latest Huawei updates. So you can scan this QR code that I have presented in front of you for you to understand and to join the Huawei Facebook group. Otherwise, I have given the tag also there with which you can join with our group. You can reach us at appsup.huawei.com, and we have got links available in the FB as well, LinkedIn as well, and you can reach me as well for any queries, and I hope you participate in this event. If you have any questions, please go ahead and type in the comment sections. I'll be happy to answer. I wish you participate in this grand event. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you there in the event. Thank you.